children, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing good. So in our last class we had answered some questions from the storybook, right? And all of you have read the 8 pages from this storybook. Right, all of you have read 8 pages from this storybook. So at first let's revise the 8 pages, okay? So all of you go and bring your storybook, the Tarun and the Bird. All of you go and bring the story reading, Tarun and the Bird. Then we will start. So I hope all of you had your story reading book with you, right? Okay. So let's revise it. Okay. Chirp, chirp. Did you hear that sound? Turn your page slowly. Chirp, chirp. Tarun looks around the room. Turn your page. What does he see? A bird that is hurt. Tarun wants to help. Turn your page. The bird hops into his hand. Her feathers feel soft. Turn your page. Tarun pulls out the thorn. Okay, so these are the 8 pages you have read, right? Okay. So today we are going to say what it is like to see, touch, taste, hear sound and smell things. Okay. So I am going to ask you some questions and you have to answer in to me. Okay. So you can answer the question in a voice note or a video, whatever you want to. Okay. So are you ready? Okay. So let's start our today's class. Okay. Okay. Let's start. So all of you have this book, Tarun and the Bird, with you? Yes. So first you go to this page. So turn to this page, all of you. Yes. So now tell me what sound did. Okay, listen first. When I will tell you that this question you have to answer for your home fun activity, only that question you have to answer. Okay, I will tell you which question you have to answer for your home fun activity. Okay. Okay, now listen. So look at the page first, look at the picture first. So what sound did Tarun hear? Yes, can you tell me what sound did Tarun hear? Yes, Tarun heard the sound chirp chirp. Tarun heard the sound chirp chirp. So this sound is a bird sound, right? This sound is a bird sound, right? Okay. So we will now discuss the other animals sound. Okay? We'll discuss other animals sound. So, what animal is this? Yes? Bolo? What animal is this? Elephant. Right. This is the elephant. So, can you tell me what sound the elephant make? Yes? The elephant trumpet, right? Do you want to hear the trumpet sound of elephant? Yes? Okay, I will play the trumpet sound of the elephant. Just wait. Yes. So, this is the trumpet sound of an elephant. Okay? Okay. So, now next. What is this? This is a horse. Right? This is a horse. So, what sound the horse make? Knee sound. Right? The horse makes knee sound. Do you want to hear the knee sound? Do you want to hear the knee sound? Okay, let me play for you. Play it for you. Yes, this is the knee sound made by horse, right? Okay, now next. So, what is this? This is a goat, right? This is a goat. So what sound the goat make? Bleat sound. The goat make bleat sound. Okay, let's hear the goat sound. This is the sound of a goat. Yes. Okay. Now next. So which animal is this? Which animal is this? This is a dog, right? This is a dog. And the dog bark, right? And the dog bark. So all of you know the barking sound, right? But again we will hear the barking sound. Okay. This is the barking sound, right? The dog bark. Okay. Now next. Which animal is this? This is a hen, right? So what sound the hen make? The hen cluck. So let's hear the sound. So this is the hen sound. Okay. Now next. What is this? This is a duck. So the duck makes quack sound. The duck makes quack sound. Let's hear the quack sound, okay? So this is the quack sound. Okay. Last. What is this? This is a donkey. This is a donkey. So the donkey makes bray. The donkey makes bray sound. Okay, now we will hear the sound of a donkey. So this is the sound of a donkey. So are you all clear with the sound of the animals? All of you are clear, right? Okay. So then now let's go to the next page. Wait. Okay. All of you turn to this page. All of you turn to this page. So, what did Tarun see? Yes. What did Tarun see? Tarun is looking out of the window, right? So, he is looking at the sky. He is looking outside of the window, right? He is in search of the sound chirp chirp, right? So, now I am going to ask you a question. This is the first question for you, for your home fun activity. Okay? So, listen carefully. The question. Please listen carefully. What do you see if you look up at the sky through the window during day and also during night? So, you have to tell me, what do you see when you look out, when you look up at the sky? Okay, you have to tell me, what do you see when you look up at the sky at day and at night? What do you see at day when you look up at the sky, and what do you see at night when you look up at the sky? Okay? Okay. Now turn to the next page. Okay, wait. Okay. All of you turn to this page. The bird is hurt, right? We can see here the bird is hurt, right? So here the second question for you. Name two things that hurt you. You have to name two things that hurt you. Okay? You have to name two things that hurt you. Okay? And you have to say, what do you do when you get hurt? Okay? आप लोग क्या करते हो जब आप लोगों को चोट आता है तो? ठीक है? So, turn to the next page. Okay. Look at this picture. In this picture, we can see that Tarun is touching the bird feather and it feels very soft, right? Tarun is touching the feather and it feels very soft. So, the third question is, you have to name two things that feel very soft. Okay? You have to name two things that feel very soft. And again, you have to name another two things that feel very rough. Okay, when you touch the thing that feel very rough, you have to tell this and you have to tell me the two things that feel very soft. So, two things soft and two things rough. Okay? Okay. Okay, all of you turn to this page. Look at the picture. Turn to this page. So, you can look here. Tarun is scared of something, right? Yes, Tarun is scared of something. So, now you have to tell me which thing or what you are scared of. Okay? You have to tell me which thing or what you are scared of. Okay? Okay. Okay, now all of you turn to this page. Look at this picture. The bird helps Tarun by shooing away the bees, right? Do you remember when you last helped someone? Yes? The bird is helping Tarun, right? Do you remember when you last helped someone? Yes, do you remember? Okay, you have to tell me when you last helped someone, okay? Okay. Okay. Now all of you go to this page. In this page, we can see Tarun can smell his mother's cookies, right? In this page, we can see Tarun can smell his mother cookies. So, you have to name two things that smell very good and yummy. Two eatable things, okay? You have to name two things which smell very good and yummy. Okay? Okay. Now turn to this page, all of you. In this page, we can see Tarun is enjoying the tasty cookies, right? In this page, we can see Tarun is enjoying the tasty cookies. So, you have to name two things which you love to eat, okay? You have to name two things which you love to eat, okay? So children, these are the questions for you for your home fun activity. So you have to answer this question in a voice note or video, whatever you like. Okay? Okay. So today we have learned animal sounds, right? Today we have learned animal sounds. So and again I have given you home fun activity. So you have to do this and you have to send it to me. Okay? Okay children, that's all for today. See you in our next class. Okay, bye.